Hello and welcome to this lesson in how to design PCB using Autodesk Eagle software. In this lesson, we will learn more about the Schematic Editor and what is the most important tools we need to know to start working on any design. I know you maybe deleted the project we created last time, so this is a good chance to recreate it again. Okay, now let's open the Schematic Editor. And then I go to Grid, enable the grid display and change the units to millimeter. There are many tools here to talk about, but today I will cover the essential tools. And during this course, we will learn new tools and techniques with every project we will design. Okay, let's start with Add Part tool. Now to add a certain part to your project, you have to go to Add Part to do it. And as we can see now, this is all the libraries available in default with Eagle. Let's simply search for capacitor. And we will find different libraries and different choices. Here I will choose RCL library and select a random component and then hit OK. Now we can drag this component to the working area and place it anywhere by using the left click on your mouse. And to stop this operation, press Escape key and you can return back to Add Part if you want to add another part. And now, to stop adding part, press Escape key twice. So, how to move a component? Well, simply by using a Move tool here. Then, click on the component you want to move, and you can move the component wherever you want. And if you want to know an information about a specific part, use Info tool and click on the component and you will see all the information related to this component. Well, another tool that would give you a quicker information about a specific part is Show tool. And you can see all the information about this component like the name, the value, the library name, the package type on status bar. Now, Rotate tool. It will allow you to rotate a component 90 degrees every time you click on a component, and you can make it rotate clockwise or counterclockwise. Now, let's see how to copy a component without returning back to Add Part window. To do so, click Copy icon and then click on the component you want to copy and left click to paste it. To delete any component, simply use Delete icon and click on the component you want to delete. Or you can use Delete key on your keyboard. And remember, any component you add on the Schematic Editor, you will be able to see it on the Layout Board Editor as well. And any change I do on the schematic, it will take effect on the board as well. I want to undo the last delete operation and talk about Group tool. If we want to make any operation to a group of components, simply select them, then select the operation you want, let's say move a component. Right-click on the group and select Move Group. Now we can move a group of components at the same time. Let's copy 3 capacitors at the same time. Well, simply select Copy tool, Then right-click on the group and select Copy Group. And as simple as that, we can delete a group of components. I will select them first, then select Delete Tool, then right-click and select Delete Group. This is the main tools that you will use with every schematic you create. Now, further tools might be interesting is Zoom In and Zoom Out tool. If you don't want to use the mouse scroll directly, and Fit tool here will fit the display to show you all your components on the screen together. To finish this lesson, let's take a look at a new window in Eagle software that introduced lately. In default, you will see Design Manager window. It will help you to navigate your project's component and locate them immediately. This is useful when you have dozens of components to navigate. Also, for each component, I can see the component spin for each component I have. If you have a bigger project with multiple sheets, you can see them from Sheet window. As for now, we only have one sheet. So, that's it for today. I hope you found it interesting and looking forward to see you in the next lesson. Thank you.